Congrats to you tonight. And now, let me tell you something about Pearlvine International. So the system of Pearlvine has an e-commerce section. Also, in not much time, Pearlvine is going to be a bank. Did you know that?
Oh!
Thank you. Please give a hand to that.
Oh!
Pearlvine is going to be a bank, and very soon for our well-being users. Just as a bank that holds your money in your account, but we have more hidden benefits in that. But I can't tell you now. It's just like a secret. So I'll tell you later about this. And later on, Pearlvine has decided to open a shopping online. So this shopping, thank you. So a shopping portal of this for everyone all around the world, consisting all the stuff you need in your life. From a single needle to a 10-feet teddy bear. Everybody will have that. You will be loving shopping for sure. Thank you, sir. And then for the official website of Pearlvine, as a separate section where you can recharge your phone or pay your household bills, even your electricity bills, everything will be in Pearlvine International. You will be seeing everything as well. And also, the most exciting thing that I was excited also, it's like a search engine like Google or Bing. That is more exciting because as you can see, like from this, you will be using it from anywhere to do anything and everything you need in life, everywhere. So after that, and we have more exciting things that are going on. But the most thing that you will be seeing soon is launching. Do you know what we're going to launch? Does anybody know what Pearlvine is? What? Maybe. Yes. And also, we will be launching the Visa member card. That will be launching soon. That will be launching soon.
Visa member card also.
So I hope all of you will be excited today. But as we have been waiting for so long tonight, I told you there's one VIP guest that made everything happen. Do you know who that is? Do you know, sir?
Yes, our God.
Our God, okay. God did make everything happen. And also for Pearlvine International, I would like to introduce Mr. Daniel, the person that made everything happen. Okay, so tonight we have something more important that I let you know. So I would like everybody to please keep your phones, no video or photo shooting tonight. So it's like about privacy and everything, sir. Please, we have your security guard here as well. And there is our